Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like a video that's going to be like one of the last like high maintenance, high production videos that I'm going to make, because the next couple videos are going to be videos about the end of 2020. The end of 2020. So today's video is things that you should do to be productive during winter break. So this could be with the pandemic or without, so you guys can flash back, look at it again, and it will still be here. So let's get straight on into the video. The first thing is to do chores. I know a lot of people don't like to do chores, but I feel like it's kind of relaxing to like wash the dishes or do something and you feel better. And obviously you're being productive because you're being active, whether that's not like full-blown exercising, but you're still not sitting down benching TV or whatever. So it's a lot better than just, sitting there watching TV and you get stuff done and you feel like you've accomplished something during this winter break. And I hope you guys have an amazing winter break and amazing end of the year. The next thing is to make New Year's goals. This way you are going into the new year knowing what you want to do. And not only that, you're really reflecting on 2020 and or whatever year you're watching this, reflecting on the year and going back and looking through everything and being like, man, this was a good year, or man, I should change this for the next year. So not only are you being productive by, reflecting on the year, but you're also kind of realizing what you need to do to improve, because everyone needs improvements. We were all imperfect, but we are all beautiful. So since we are all imperfect, we all need improvements. So this is just a way to kind of make yourself feel better, even though we are all beautiful in our own way. The next tip is to rearrange your room or clean it. My parents and I are painting our house, so that's really productive because it makes your house or your room feel brand new. And you're being active. It could be like family bonding time, because you could paint your house yourself, but it's better with family. So I'm just saying. So it's just really relaxing to me to paint and listen to music and things like that, and just rearrange and all that stuff, and then taking off the painter's tape is super relaxing to me too. So rearrange, clean, it makes you feel like it's a whole new place and you don't have to worry about like wanting a new room or whatever, because it makes it feel so much better and it makes your room feel so cool. My next tip for you guys is just to simply get fit, because you're being active, you're getting fit. And during this winter time, whether you guys have any holidays that you eat a lot, then you can get fit, eat as much as you want, and then get fit again. This way you're moving your body and you're making sure that you'll fit. I don't know what else to say, but also boosts your energy and gives you energy for whatever the day comes and whatever comes of this end of the year and of this winter break. Then another one is volunteer. This is another tip, but obviously if you're watching this during a pandemic, please be safe. Volunteering just makes you feel good because you're helping out for the greater good, but you need to make sure you're wearing a mask, washing your hands, hand sanitizer. There are so many cute masks like I'm showing you guys. So these are from Kohl's. These are my favorite out of all the ones that I've tried. I've tried from Old Navy, I've tried from just like plain old Target or whatever. And Kohl's is just the best. It's the most comfortable for me personally. Please make sure that you're washing your hands properly. There are so many videos on that. I show you guys that I wash my hands way too long. Sometimes I don't wash them enough, but we are all kind of, getting into the comfort zone. But after this pandemic is over, you guys, if you don't feel comfortable volunteering now, you can volunteer later in your life, and it makes you feel just so much better. And again, you're being active, moving your body. You get to socialize. You get to be part of a community. You make new friends, and who doesn't want to make new friends? And if you don't, you should, because it makes you feel like you have a support team at all costs, all times, all this good stuff. So make sure you guys are taking the right precautions, but when you volunteer, it makes you just feel so much better and you're being productive, like I said during this video. Man, this video is very fast paced, but the last thing is to learn new things, because who doesn't want to learn new hobbies? You could probably use this later in your future, and it just kind of expands the knowledge of what you know. And again, you're being productive. I made a blanket by hand, and obviously I made mistakes, but at least they make a good Christmas present. So if you guys want to do that, you can look up how to make a blanket with your hands. And that's basically what I searched up and made this beautiful blanket. So learn new things, find new hobbies. It kind of develops and makes you improve yourself over this winter break, and of course you're being productive because you're learning new things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for the love and support. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.